Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am real excited to unbox this wonderful items from a small business. This is from Bellaart and Nicole. They had a live a couple weeks ago of overprinted items, meaning accessories, trays, and all of that. So it's really cool. To me, it feels like an auction that they present stuff during the live that they show what they've overprinted, since they do 3D print a lot of their items. I love their trays, so I was super excited that there were going to be a lot of opportunities to pick up some of them. But the plot twist, they're discounted. So that's why I thought, ooh, yeah, I'm going to go a little crazy. So I really enjoyed the live. That was the first ever live I've done. So for this wonderful items they were selling. So I just got the order today, and it came in a really sturdy box. I'm a big fan of it. After you claimed everything in the live, you would claim whatever it is item they're presenting. You would put your name and all of that. Later on, you would send them an email. They send an invoice back. You pay it. They shipped everything out, which I think is really cool. To my understanding, they are located in New Mexico. So to me, they're a little close. I live in Texas, so the shipping was really affordable, considering I ordered a lot of stuff. So without further ado, let's check it out. So I saw that there was a little business card. I did open it ahead just in case there was a packing list with my information, but it didn't. So yay. So they did include a little business card, and what I thought was neat. This is a little cover minder. It's their little emblem. It's a little butterfly and the little magnet. Oh, it's internal. I love those kind of cover minders. And it's such a perfect little shape, and I love that. It was holding down some wonderful stickers. Oh, I love the flower and the butterfly. Oh, I do love butterflies. And again, the name of the wonderful company is Bellaart and Nicole. I own a lot of their diamond paintings because I really love the style. Never owned any of their accessories, so I'm real excited on what I picked up. Apologies. And you can see all the information of the owners, the website, their social media and all of that in the back. It is a small business that is owned by a small veteran. It's a small veteran family owned business. So I am super, super proud and excited and happy to support this little business. And mostly because I love their items. So let me put everything aside real quick. So let's grab these. These are the funnels. So I had stated I ordered two types. Ooh, apologies. I ordered one for Elizabeth Ward trays and one for a tube. As I've shown whenever I kit up my diamond paintings, the little tube storages, usually that's an art dot. I'm going to put this aside real quick. Oh my goodness, this is really neat. This is the Elizabeth Ward funnel. I forgot the word was. I've seen it. You just kind of slide in the box, the container, and you just pour everything, as you can see, as a funnel, and it just fills up. I've been wanting to get a funnel forever, because if you've seen some of my previous kitting up with Elizabeth Ward, I always end up spilling. So I really want to try this out for one of my next kit ups, so I can try with Elizabeth Ward. As I stated, you just slide in. You can see the different sizes, since there's multiple sizes of containers for Elizabeth Ward boxes. It makes sense, these little slots. This is really, really, really cool. And I selected this color. They presented it, and I claimed it, and yay, I love the color. So I had stated I've been wanting to get a new tube funnel, so I saw that they have this style that it's open. So it's not covered by any kind of walls as my other funnel I usually use for my kit up videos. I saw that they had this one, so I can actually see the color that, pouring into the into the bottle. So I believe I shouldn't spill so much. So you can just put the tube in here. This is a little funnel. And this wonderful color, I believe, is called macaroon. I love the color. And it's really sturdy. I really like it, and it's not too heavy, but I really, really love the design of it. So I'm really excited to try this out for my next kit. And they all balance really well. Ta-da! So I was so excited to get these funnels. Oh, apologies. They were discounted as well, so they would just yell out the discounted prices, and I really liked it. My next item, what I originally thought I pulled out, I forgot what they call them. They give them a nickname. Keepers? I'm not too sure what they call them. But there's the little roll-ups for you're rolling up your canvases, and you roll up with these. So it's to help them roll up, especially for larger canvases, just to keep them in check so they don't unroll. I'm still trying to figure out how these work. I did purchase one previously through another store, but I could not figure out how to make them work. But they have these at a really good affordable price. As I stated, they were discounted, and I purchased two because I want to see. I've seen them when they put two on one big canvas. I want to see if I can kind of finally figure out, or stop being lazy and Google how to find a video to use these. And of course, I picked the blue ones. I really liked it. And I picked up two. Again, these were discounted as well. And a lot of these items are actually on their site. And they have various different colors. So I think if I figure out how to use these and I like them, I wouldn't mind purchasing some, because I have a lot of canvases I need to roll up to make sure they don't unroll on me. So let me get these. So these trays, and I apologize, I forgot to look it up. I think they call them version 2.0, I believe. They're so small, and I really fell in love with them. And they were such an affordable price. I really like the color. As you can see, it's like a really nice salmon color. It's a really small tray that it has a cover. I think you slide it, maybe. I've never used these. I just know that it has the stopper, which is this section. Oh, I think you do. Oh, so new, I can't even slide it out. Ta-da! You can slide it out. Oh, I love how small it is. I've been wanting little small trays because it's really useful for if you just need to, work on a small section, especially for a diamond paint that have a lot of color changing. You can just need a small tray and then pour out the diamonds when you need to switch. It has a little cute stopper. Really worried I'm going to break it. And, ooh, suspense. There we go. As you can see, you can pour out the diamonds. Oh, these are so cute. I knew they were small, but I didn't know they were this small. I really like it. And as I said, blue is my favorite color. But when they showed these, I just fell in love with the color. And it includes wonderful little tray, really sturdy. And as you all saw me, I just slide it back in. Ooh, if I can kind of get it. It's really new. So, and there you go. Voila. I think you might be able to kind of stack them. Oh, that is so neat. I wouldn't mind purchasing a really good amount of these because I can use it as a multi-tray system and I can just stack them up. I can just put the labels on the stoppers and it'll be easier because my space is a little limited now. Save space whenever I'm working on canvases with a lot of colors, and they were two of them. I really like them. I need to buy some more. I really like it. And finally, the final item is called their essential trays. So if you've ever purchased a bellaart canvas or seen some of my unboxing videos of some of my bellaart canvases, beautiful little white tray is always included. I love that tray, and they call those the essential trays, but they do sell them in different colors. Oh my goodness, I was so excited. Oh, this really pretty blue. So originally I had claimed around 5, I believe 4 or 5 of a mint color. So they were all the same color. And so I did request when I was paying the invoice, hey, is there any chance you can put a different color in it? Just so I started thinking, okay, if I'm going to have these as a multi-tray, I can't have them looking the same because I'm going to get confused. So they were so kind enough to give me multiple colors, which I'm a big, big fan of. You can see this really beautiful transparent blue. I really like this. I just see the reflective it is on the light. This beautiful purple. Oh, I really like it. This nice little salmon-y color. Well, it's more peach. I really like it too. Really beautiful yellow. Oh, it kind of shines a bit. Oh, I really like it. Oh, one of my mints. There we go. I love this color when I saw them. So, it's really, really cool. and this really nice green. Oh, it's a really pretty forest green. I really like it. So the idea is if I ever paint, I will have, oh, sorry, the tape. I will have these out. So I can be just painting and just grabbing whatever I need for whatever color. For me, I do love using the system because I would do it with my original white ones, that I would have several different ones so I can just be grabbing the color, especially if there's a lot of confetti. I don't have to keep pouring and changing with just one tray. I can have several of these. They're really small and they're really neat. As you can notice, there is no cover for it, but they have a really, I can't see if I can catch it on camera. It has a little lift. So you see the flat stripes and then it lifts up. So whenever I'm pouring them and I'm shaking them to straighten them, I never had diamonds fly out in this end or fly out. The walls are pretty high. And I am really, really hardcore shaker. So I really, really prefer these trays. And they are so smooth to just pour out when you're done with the color. Or you're going to switch it out. I love this. It's just, they're essential trays. That's why I ordered the most. I'm going to keep an eye out when they have another overprint live sale. Because I really, really want to purchase a whole lot more. Because I really love all these colors. And as I stated, I used the white standard tray version of these. So I'm a big, big fan of them. I really love these. All of these items, or I'll put the site for the wonderful business on the description below. I'm not too sure if they have, well, I believe they should have all of these items on their site. If I can locate the item. Oh, I want to see how they slipped it in there. I'm so scared to skip. I am so worried I'm going to break it, but they're really sturdy plastic, so they're not that thin. So you can see it's really, really sturdy. I'll put everything in the description below if any of these items you're a fan of, or if you want to try out. These are really affordable, so that's why I went crazy buying them. and I'll clarify again, as I stated, I always sound like I'm being sponsored. This is a personal purchase. I was just so excited about the live. Not sponsored by bellaart. I just really, really love their paintings, so I knew I was going to really love their accessories. They recently had, actually I believe they're about to have a third one. Overstock diamond painting canvases. I already did one, so I have to pay it and I have to wait for them. I got 4 paintings. For me, it was really affordable that they sell them again at a discounted price. So keep an eye out on them. Their next Overstock live is gonna be either today or the weekend. I forgot what date they stated, but I'm gonna check it out because I do love discounts. And I really do love their canvases, so that's why I'm real excited to keep purchasing from this wonderful small business. Oh my goodness, I love these trays. I'm gonna start painting after I'm done with this. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. I don't know what kind of emoji to put for this, so we'll put a butterfly emoji, because it is their the business's little emblem, this beautiful blue butterfly. And I like emojis and I like butterflies. It really helps kind of inform me to know that you all were kind enough to watch the video to the end. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. And you enjoyed these items. Oh my goodness, I need to get to painting. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.